Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 4% in the last session after rising as much as 4.4% during the session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the gold fall 0.5% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the oil fall 0.9% against the dollar. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Markets fell in Asia and Europe following a second straight day of losses on Wall Street, in response to Federal Reserve minutes indicating it could begin withdrawing its huge financial support by the end of the year. Jack Dorsey and Mark Zuckerberg may be making big plans in the cryptocurrency space, but Vitalik Buterin doesn't see them as likely to gain much traction. The U.S. dollar rose to a 9-month high as global markets went into a tailspin after minutes of the Federal Reserve's last meeting showed policymakers expect to reduce pandemic-era stimulus before the year is out.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. Baker Hughes U.S. oil rig count will be released at 1700 GMT, Germany's producer price index at 600 GMT, the Belgian Consumer Confidence Index at 900 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions will be released at 1930 GMT, the UK's retail sales at 600 GMT, the UK's public sector net borrowing at 600 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.